हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल सिविल स्टडी ऑफ लॉ। फ्रेंड्स, आज के टॉपिक में बिहार एपीओ 7 फरवरी 2021 में जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ है उसकी ऑफिशियल आंसर्स की रिलीज हो चुकी है, जो कि 20 फरवरी 2021 को रिलीज हुई है। बिहार एपीओ ऑफिशियल आंसर की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। इसके साथ ही साथ आपको पीडीएफ की स्क्रीनशॉट्स भी इसी वीडियो में मिल जाएंगे। और आज के टॉपिक में लॉ पेपर्स को सॉल्व करेंगे, जो कि ऑफिशियल आंसर्स की के आधार पर है। तो फ्रेंड्स, शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले एक बार जो आंसर्स की ऑफिशियल जारी हुई है उसके नोटिफिकेशंस को देख लेते हैं। बिहार पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन असिस्टेंट प्रोसिक्यूशन ऑफिसर्स प्रिलिमिनरी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एडवर्टाइजमेंट नंबर 1/20 है। एग्जामिनेशन डेट 7 फरवरी 2021 थी। प्रोविजनल आंसर्स की है, लॉ की है। आयोग द्वारा उपलब्ध कराए गए उत्तर पूर्णता औपबंधिक प्रोविजनल्स हैं। उपयुक्त निर्धारित तिथि तक आपत्तिकर्ताओं से प्राप्त आपत्ति की गहन समीक्षा विषय विशेषज्ञों की समिति द्वारा की जाएगी और गहन समीक्षा उपरांत सभी प्रश्नों का अंतिम आदर्श उत्तर तैयार किया जाएगा। विषय विशेषज्ञों की समिति द्वारा तैयार किए गए उक्त अंतिम आदर्श उत्तर का आयोग द्वारा अनुमोदन उपरांत उसके आधार पर OMR उत्तर पत्रक OMR आंसर शीट का मूल्यांकन किया जाएगा। तो जो आयोग के द्वारा प्रश्न पत्र लॉ का प्रोवाइड कराया गया था उसके 4 सेट थे, 4 सीरीज थी। ए सीरीज, बी सीरीज, सी सीरीज, डी सीरीज। आज की सीरीज में ए सीरीज को प्रश्नों को देखेंगे, जो कि ऑफिशियल आंसर्स की के आधार पर हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं। लॉ पेपर है, जो कि सेट नंबर ए है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन विच सेक्शंस ऑफ द इंडियन पेनल कोड 1860 द वर्ड एक्ट इज डिफाइंड? सेक्शन 33 IPC, आंसर ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेकंड, इन विच सेक्शंस ऑफ द इंडियन पेनल कोड द punishments for wrongful restraint has been provided under sections 341 IPC, answer B. Next question 3, under which one of the following sections of the Indian Penal Code 1860 the word offence has been defined? Sections 40, answer B. Next question 4, under which sections of the Indian Penal Code the word extortion is defined? IPC, under sections 383, answer A. Next question 5, in which sections of the Indian Penal Code 1860 the word cruelty is defined? Under sections IPC 498A, answer D. Next question है 6, which one of the following sections of the Indian Penal Code provides the punishments for attempt to commit suicide? Section 309, answer C. Next question 7, in which sections of the Indian Penal Code 1860 the word good faith has not been used? Under section IPC 90, not good faith word use, answer B. Next question 8, unlawful assembly has been defined in sections 141 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, answer A. Next question 9, A meets V on national highway, show him a pistol and demand V purse. B in consequence surrenders his purse. Which one of the following offences was committed by A? तो रॉबरी का ऑफेंस ए ने किया है, जो कि अंडर सेक्शन 390 IPC के अंदर, आंसर बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 10, पनिशमेंट फॉर ऑफेंस ऑफ importing girls from any country outside India from Jammu and Kashmir is up to 10 years if the age of the girls is under 21 years, answer D. Next question 11, which sections of the Indian Penal Code deals with the defense of involuntary intoxication? Under sections 85 IPC, answer B. Next question 12, the right of private defense of body extends to causing death if there is apprehensions of death, apprehensions of grievous hurt, intentions of committing rape, all of the above, answer D. Next question है 13, Sarla Mughal precedents of Kalyani vs Union of India is a case on which the followings bigamy, answer C. Next question 14, in which case the court made a clear distinctions between common intentions and similar intentions? Under sections 34 IPC, Mehboob Shah vs King Emperor, answer B. Next question 15, assault under sections 351 of the Indian Penal Code can be caused by gestures or any preparations, answer D. Next question 16, under which sections of the Indian Penal Code right to private defense of property extend to causing death? Sections 103, answer A. Next question 17, misappropriations of property has been defined under sections of the Indian Penal Code 403, answer A. Next question है 18, which sections of the Indian Penal Code provides for the offences relating to any army, navy or air force? Sections 1312, 140, Answer C. Next question. The offense of abetment is constituted by aiding, conspiring, instigating, all of the above. Answer D. Next question है 20. Under the Indian Penal Code 1860, the defense of consent is not available in case of consent to cause death, consent to cause grievous hurt. Answer is the C. Both A and B. Next question 21. A hangman who hangs the prisoners in pursuant to the orders of the courts is exempted from criminal liability by virtue of under section 78 of the IPC. Answers V. Next question 22. Incites a dog to swearings upon jades without jades consents with the intention to any jades. Here A has committed an offence of criminal force. Answer A. Next question 23. Which one of the following is not correct in respect to the definitions of theft? Out of ownership of that persons. Answer B. Next question 24. Which of the following does not constitute an offence of affray 5 or more persons? Answer is the A. Next question 25. Which one of the following is not an offence? Suicide not an offence. Answer A. Next question 26. Who drafted the Indian Evidence Act? James Stephen. Answer is the D. Next question 27. Which of the following is a fact? That there are certain objects arranged in a certain order in a certain place, that a man had or saw some things, that a man said certain words, all of the above. There is a fact. Answer A. D. Next question 28. In a trial for murder of V by A, which of these facts is not relevant? A was absconding immediately after the murders of B. Relevant. A and V were seen together before murder. Relevant. A had borrowed 50,000 from V. Relevant. D. A was in Mumbai on that day while the murders of B was committed on Chennai. Not relevant but relevant in सेक्शन 11. इस क्वेश्चन पे आप ऑब्जेक्शंस कर सकते हैं. आंसर्स की के अकॉर्डिंग आंसर सी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 29. The Indian Evidence Act 1872 has been divided into parts and chapters. The 3 parts, 11 chapters and sections 167. Answer B. Next question 30. Which one of the following is not a public document? Plaint or written statements in a suit, not a public document. Answer D. Next question 31. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court so hold that a tape recorded conversations is admissible as res gestae? यूसुफ अली बसीस स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. आंसर बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 32. स्टेटमेंट्स मेड बाय एन एजेंट्स टू एनी पार्टी टू द प्रोसीडिंग्स आर एडमिशंस if the court regards under the circumstances of the case that the agents is expressly or impliedly authorized to make them. Answer C. Next question है 33. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court hold a confessions must either admit in terms of the offences or any rate substantially all the facts which constituted the offence? Palvinder Kaur versus State of Punjab. Answer is the B. Next question है 34. About 14 days ago, I K and peoples of my party lay in wait for us and others at about sunset time at the corner of Pulpit Tank. We all beats S and H to death. The remaining persons F, K and N ran away. D, who was in your party, received blow on his hands. He had a spear in his hands. He gives it to me. Take. Then I had thee and my sticks in the risk of we and in the village. I will show you if you come. Who did this at the instigations of K? Answer is the C. I had the and my sticks in the risk of we in the village. I will show you if you come. Answer C. Next question 35. The admissibility of dying declaration is based on the maxims nemo manchurius pessimenter centre under sections Evidence Act 32 subclass 1. Answer C. Next question 36. Assertance A. The findings of the criminal courts are inadmissible in a civil suit. Reasons are acquittal or convictions in a criminal case has no evidentiary value in a subsequent civil investigations except for the limited purpose of showing that there was a trial of resulting in acquittal or convictions as the case may be. Both A and R true and R is the correct explanations of A. Answer A. Next question है 37. Which of the following admissions are dealt with by sections 58 of the Indian Evidence Act? Admission in pleadings, admissions which can be implied from pleadings, admissions by parties or agents at the time of hearings, all of the above. Answer D. Next question 38. A photocopy expressed in the absence of originals is not admissible in evidence. Answer B. Next question है 39. Who among the following can compare the disputed writings with the admitted writing of the party? The court, the handwriting experts, by anyone familiar with the handwritings of the persons concerned. Answer any of the above. Answer D. Next question 40. A agrees in writing to sell a horse to be for 1,000 or 150 1,500. Which of the following is correct? Evidence cannot be given to show which price was to be given. Answer B. Next question है 41. Unless non-access is provided, the presumptions as to legitimacy of any child's born during the continuance of a valid marriage between his mothers and any man is conclusive proof under sections 112 Evidence Act. Answer C. Next question 42. The courts may presume that an accomplice is unworthy of credits unless he is corroborated in material particulars. This is presumptions contained in of the Indian Evidence Act under sections 140 subclass B. Answer B. Next question है 43. A initially and falsely leads B to believe that certain lands belong to A and thereby includes B to buy and pay on it. The lands afterwards becomes the property of A and A seeks to set aside the sale on the grounds that at the time of the sale he had no titles. He must not be allowed to prove his want to titles under sections 115 Evidence Act. Answer C. Next question 44. Which of the following is true and correct? In all civil proceedings, the parties to suits and the husbands or wives of any parties to suits shall be competent witness. In criminal proceedings against any persons, the husbands or wives such persons respectively has be a competent witness. Answer is the C. Both A and B. Next question है 45. Deepak accused of committing of offences supplying arms informs the liars Sweta that he has committed the offences and wishes her to define him in these circumstances. Answer is the C. The communications is a privileged one and protected from disclosures under sections 126 of the Indian Evidence Act. Answer C. Next question 46. Which of the following is true and correct? A person summoned to produce a document does not become a witness by mere that facts that he produced it. A person cannot be a cross-examined unless and until he is called as a witness. Answer C. Both A and B. Next question है 47. A witness may be a cross-examinations as to previous statements made by him in writing or reduced into writings and relevant to matters in questions. Answer is the B. Without such writings being shown to him. Answer B. Next question है 48. In a prosecution for rape or attempt to commit rape, it shall not be presumable to be put questions in the cross-examinations of the prosecutor as to her general and moral character. This proviso is added in sections 146 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 by the amendments of 2013 में ऐड किया गया है. इस क्वेश्चन पे भी आप ऑब्जेक्शंस कर सकते हैं क्योंकि आंसर की के अकॉर्डिंग जो आंसर है वो सी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 49. द मैक्सिमम फाल्सस इन उनो फाल्सस इन ऑमनिबस related to section 16 Indian Evidence Act. If things is false in respect of the must be taken to be false in respect of all. Answers B. Next question 50. Police effected the recovery under section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 before recording the formal arrest of the accused. The recovery is legal. Answer A. Next question है 51. Where on or more offences are found to be cognizable and several other offences are non-cognizable, then can the police allow bail to the accused? Threatenings on or more offences as cognizable, refusal bails. Answer C. Next question 52. In case of one or more offences to be tried by magistrate falls in the category or sessions trials, which court will try the case? By the session courts. Answer C. Next question 53. What is the difference between consecutive and concurrent sentences? When the sentence is suffered by the convict one after the others, it is said to be consecutive sentences, while if the sentences are suffered together, the lesser sentences merging with the greater sentences is known as concurrent sentences. Answer is the A. Next question 54. The summons procedures is adopted the cover offences punishable with offences attracting up to 2 years imprisonment. Answer B. Next question 55. In accused can be discharged if the investigations cannot be completed within a period of 6 months, provided the maximum punishments for the offences is 2 years. Answer is the C. Next question 56. Revision against interlocutory order is the vended under the provisions. इस क्वेश्चन 56 को डिलीट कर दिया गया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 57. इन offenders can plead guilty and pay fine with the help of postal departments under the provisions under section 253 of CRPC. Answer B. Next question 58. What changes are effective to ensure fair trials under the Criminal Procedures Code? Suppressions of judiciary from executive. Answer B. Next question 59. The process of compulsory stoppage of proceedings before a trial courts on the plea of transfers of case from that courts to some other courts is done away under the provisions sections 407 of CRPC. Answer A. Next question 60. An order of maintenance is given in the case of indigent parents as a matter of rights as a per sections 125 of CRPC. Answer A. Next question है 61. The process formulations of a specific accusations is called charge. Answer C. Next question 62. Match list first with list seconds and select the correct answers using the codes given below in the links according. Answers B. Next question 63. Which one of the following factors a medical practitioners can omit? The reports, the identification marks of the accused. Answer D. Next question 64. When a court issues a warrant for the arrest of a suspected person, it must ensure the murder numbers of sureties, the amount in which of the sureties are bound, the time and date at which the accused person is required to attend the courts. All of the above. Answer D. Next question 65. In case of suspected concealing himself to avoid arrest, to the courts can issue an order of proclamation. Answer C. Next question 66. What happens when any officers in charge of a police station receives informations that a person has committed suicide? Informations the nearest executive magistrates about the incidents as per sections 174 of the CRPC. Answer A. Next question 67. The preparatory restrictions of the court for inquiry is ordinarily where the offences took place is the propositions admissible under sections 177 of the CRPC. The propositions is within the means and scopes unless contrary is directed. Answer D. Next question 68. For trial of cases of criminal abatements, which court is only contempt court? Local limits of the courts where the abatements was committed. Answer A. Next question 69. A woman sold a minor girls to a prostitutes in a P city. Later she was taken to M city where the offences was detected. इस क्वेश्चन पे भी आप ऑब्जेक्शंस करते हैं सेक्शंस 179 के अकॉर्डिंग. आंसर ए हो सकता है आइदर एट पी सिटी और एम सिटी, बट अकॉर्डिंग आंसर्स की इन पी सिटी ओनली एज द ऑफेंसेस वाज कंप्लीटेड. आंसर सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 70. एक्स किडनैप्ड बाई फ्रॉम सिटी पी एंड कीप्ड बाई एट सिटी एम एंड was detected there either at city P or at city M. Answer A. Next question 71. Foreign offences of bigamy at the court jurisdictions where the permanent residence of the aggrieved women after the offence is situated. Answer D. Next question 72. When two or more courts have taken cognizance of the same offences, in such a case which court shall inquire into offences? If the courts are subordinates to the same high courts, it will be as per directions of the high court. If the courts are not subordinate to the same high courts, it will be within the local limits of the offences first committed commencements. Both. Answer is the both. A and B, right. Next question 73. When can a specially empowered magistrate take cognizance of an offence upon informations when received from any persons other than police officers upon his own ascertainance? Both A and B. Answer is the C. Next question है 74. In which of the following cases in sessions courts cannot take cognizance of any offences committed by or against a public servant as a courts of original jurisdictions? Any case of abetment, any case of attempt to commit of offences, any case of criminal conspiracy, all of the above. Answer D. Next question 75. A complaint is made by someone who is aggrieved by an offence. What is the exceptions to the rule? When the person is under the age of 18 years, when the person is either in red or Atlantic, when the husbands committed an offences of dacoity against the wife, then only by the persons related to her by blood marriage or adoptions, all of the above. Answer D. Next question 76. Which one of the following articles providing the fundamental rights cannot be suspended during the proclamations of emergency? Article 20 and 21. Answer C. Next question 77. Democracy and federalism are essential features of our constitution, the basic features of its structures. This observation was made in S.R. Bombay vs. Union of India case by Justice P.V. Sawant. Answer A. Next question 78. The provisions of establishing public service commissions is made under Article 315. Answers B. Next question 79. A writ issued by the Supreme Court against a person who claims or asperses any office to inquire by what authority the supports his claim is known as quo warranto. Adhikar Pariksha writs. Next question 80. Which of the following appointments is not made by the Presidents of India, the Speakers of the Lok Sabha? Answers B. Next question 81. On features distinguish the Rajya Sabha from the Vidhan Parishad is powers of impeachment. Answer A. Next question 82. The Election Commission does not conduct the elections to the local bodies. Answer D. Next question 83. The Supreme Court of India, while considering the validity of proclamations of emergency under Article 356, and said that the proclamations is subject to judicial review. Which one of the following is that cases? S.R. Bombay vs. Union of India. Answer A. Next question 84. Under which list of the constitutions all aspects of the family law are there? Concurrent list. Answer B. Next question 85. Is the deleted a president who is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? C.G. Christian Murm. बट आंसर इज द इसमें भी राजी मार्सी थे जो कि प्रेजेंट टाइम पे नहीं है, तो इसको डिलीट कर दिया गया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 86. ब्लाइंडनेस इज नॉट ए डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन टू बिकम ए मेंबर्स ऑफ यूपीएससी इन विच केस इज हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड? जयशंकर प्रसाद वशिष्ठ, स्टेट ऑफ बिहार. आंसर बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 87. द पावर्स ऑफ जुडिशियल रिव्यू इन इंडिया इज enjoyed by the Supreme Courts. Answer A. Next question 88. Fundamental duties of every citizen of India: safeguards public property and to abjure violence is provided under Article 51A I. Answer A. Next question है 89. Ancillary powers of the Supreme Courts is covered under Articles 140. Answer D. Next question 90. Article 371C of the Constitution of India related to special provisions with respect of states of Manipur. Answer B. Next question 91. Which amendments acts of the Constitution has instituted the Sindhi language? 31st Amendment. Answer A. Next question 92. Extradition is related to the Union list. Answer A. Next question 93. Article 324 of the Constitution of India is related to the Election Commissions. Answer C. Next question 94. In which of the following cases it was decided that the words all the courts used in Article 141 does not include the Supreme Courts? Bengal Immunity Company Limited versus State of Bihar. Answer B. Next question 95. The organizations of agriculture and animal husbandry is a directive principles mentioned in Article 48. Answer B. Next question 96. In which of the following articles the principles of collective responsibility has been incorporated? Article 75. Answer A. Next question 97. In which of the following cases the question regarding reservations is considered by the Supreme Court first time? Champakam Dorairajan versus State of Madras. Answer C. Next question 98. In which of the following cases it was decided that the powers of high courts under Article 226 and 227 are the basis structures of the Constitution? L. Chandrakumar cases. Answer D. Next question 99. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court has explained the meanings of the institutions of Lok Adalat? P.T. Thomas versus Thomas Job. Answer D. Next question 100. Match list with list seconds and select the correct answers using the codes given below the list. Answer is the C. तो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करता हूं कि आज का टेस्ट पेपर नेक्स्ट एग्ज़ाम के लिए हेल्पफुल साबित होगा और ऑफिशियल आंसर्स की के अकॉर्डिंग जो आंसर्स दिए गए हैं उसमें से जो क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग हैं उनको डिलीट कर दिया गया है और कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जिन पे आप ऑब्जेक्शंस कर सकते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर।